Hey, hi, hello. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a video that I have wanted to do for a very long time, ever since I saw this up on the internet. I don't remember where I found it, but it reminded me of the Joker, yes, with the Batman logo on the mouth. It probably is inspired by the Joker Batman series. So today, I am going to do my own version of Harley Quinn, the most recent run, Birds of Prey, Suicide Squad. Yes, that Harley Quinn, but with a twist, my own twist of if her and the Joker are mashed up together. So she's still gonna have hopefully pigtails. Well, she's definitely gonna have green hair. And we're gonna do the two different eyeshadows, and I'm just gonna mix up a lot of the different Jokers with her and see how it turns out with the mouth. We'll just see what comes up. I feel like it's a crazy mashup mind I have lately. And I'm so nervous to do this because I've been thinking about it for so long that I was afraid to do it because what if I mess up? What if it doesn't come out like my vision does? What if, but we just have to do it. Suck it up and do it. So let's get started. Let's put a wig cap on because definitely gonna use one of my all-time favorite wigs. It's like this green goth. I did one of the best makeup looks of my entire life with it. It is one of my just all-time favorites. It's lace front, has some black in it. It looks like moss green and it's great. You'll see later in the video when I put it on, after the makeup probably, to be honest. And yes, before you ask, I do have a crazy C looking rash. It's not ringworm, it's not a virus. It is allergies from soap. I think I'm getting so allergic that I'm actually allergic to my boyfriend. That's a fact because he uses like Irish Spring and regular human soap, and I have to use stuff used by actual babies, all natural soap. So I think snuggling up with my man, it was like, no, breaking out. But I'm mentally doing so much better lately thanks to y'all because I'm taking my vitamins, and I think I was so deficient in certain vitamins that it was affecting my mood. And you guys are like, Kat, that matters, when I was talking about it in my last video, and so I did. And I thank you all because now I'm in a much better place. Not 100, but getting there. I'm striving for it. Now that we have our wig cap on, I'm gonna prep the skin with some primer and moisturizer. I think I'm gonna go with the Heath Ledger Joker type face where it's white here, some cracks, and smoked out, but the smoked out's gonna be the blue and the pink like Harley Quinn. I've been thinking about this forever, and there's so many different ways you could go with it, which is super confusing, but I guess you'll just have to see as I go because the more I explain it, the crazier it sounds. Like it's gonna be a hybrid monster, but that's what I kind of wanted anyway, so. The way my mind works sometimes, it's even hard for me to explain. But I love it because it's like I can never run out of ideas. But then again, I have insomnia and stay up till 4 in the morning thinking about all this stuff. Alright, so for the Joker's white face, Harley Joker, Quinn's Joker, Joking Harley. We're gonna use this Makeup Forever white face base. This is the best white face base makeup product out there in my opinion. I learned about this product from Kimberly Margarita, Queen of body painting on Instagram. So we're just gonna put that on as a base today. And I'm gonna make sure I get the forehead wrinkles. There's my forehead wrinkles. I get around them. Make sure my forehead wrinkles are shown. Yes, gotta go in that hairline. I could get I'm probably gonna get a Q-tip later and get the forehead wrinkles because I'd rather have an even face base and then remove, subtract product. Harley Quinn kinda herself has a light face paint that's almost white. It's like a light dusting of white. I've done all the other ones I think except for the Jack Nicholson Joker, and I haven't done the Heath Ledger Joker, so this will be really fun for me to do. And I think I'm just gonna have it like a mask to leave the ears and everything else bare, like human skin flesh tone. Even doing the lips, because we're gonna paint in white yellowish teeth, like a whole new mouth set. All right, now that we have that white face paint, I'm gonna get a large powder puff with some white face powder and set it. All right, now I'm going to take a brush and try to get some, makeup remover will work. And just take away some of the makeup where like the forehead wrinkles are. First time you're seeing probably wrinkles on a Harley Quinn. Gonna do the little laugh line. There, that's looking good. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Makeup Murder palette. I've been obsessed with this lately, been loving it. It's more of a pressed pigment than eyeshadow, so some of these colors could stain. I know definitely this purple one does, this pink one probably does too. We'll see, because I'm definitely going to be using some of the blues and reds, so the red might stain. First, I'm gonna put down a P. Louise base so that my shadow has something to grab onto, and I'm gonna do one eye at a time, because this stuff could crease. Then getting my blue eyeshadow, I'm gonna start putting that here. I might put some black in there as well, just to cover up some of the brows and define it more, make it look more grungy. Now the other side, again with the P. Louise base, I'm gonna pop that in my eye socket, and then we're gonna do like a pink mixed with red. And I'm just patting that. Oh, this color is so pretty. I'm so excited to do this. I hope it looks good and I don't look too crazy. Like, I guess crazy is good for this theme, but I want it to look good at the same time. I kind of feel like a professional wrestler with some weird paint on my face. Now I'm gonna get some black eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm just gonna get some darker reds and darker blues and black matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna like make it spill over a little bit since Harley Quinn is known for that. And I am going to do that here as well. I really want to build up this color, so I'm getting some dark blue over here. So, some matte black eyeshadow, we need it. I am going to get some liner and do my lashes too, so that we get that out of the way before moving on to the rest of the makeup. So as you can see, I am doing a heart here, just sketching it out, just like Harley Quinn has. And we're gonna do a simple winged liner look with some big lashes. I'm also going to contour my nose. I just feel like I should. So now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna put some mascara on and some lashes. I'm so excited. I haven't been this excited in a long time. Although I get excited about all my makeups, lately I've been doing makeups that really feel like something that really pushes my creativity, that I'm really loving, and not just doing stuff because I think it'll be popular or that, you know, I think you guys will like it. I want to do stuff that I really love and that I have a passion for doing, because, you know, YouTube for me isn't about a popularity contest. It's about really pushing my creativity, having fun with it, and hoping that you guys enjoy it as much as I do, because I feel like you guys could notice if I'm not having fun. And that's what it's all about. It's like being happy, having fun, and then bringing your friends in on the fun and happiness so that you can spread the positivity and joy and creativity. Even though, honestly, all my makeups are like super creepy lately, especially my really popular ones, but I'm having so much fun with this one. It's hard to drink drinks, especially after I paint my mouth on. It's gonna be more difficult. The lashes I'm using today are from Dollar Lash Club, of course, like always, but they're in the style Sabrina, which I feel like, I don't know if I've used this style before. They're super like fluttery and big. All right, now time for the lips. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild cream paint, any red lipstick will do, to do the outline of these crazy lips. The paintbrush shape I'm gonna use is like a very tiny rectangle. And I'm gonna start doing the outline of this crazy mouth where the top of the lips, the Cupid's bow area, looks like Batman. His top of his bat ear. The amount of patience for these is insane. I feel like I just kissed your mother while being a mime. I feel like I have a devil red little goatee now that I'm painting. Now with some red shadow, we're gonna set it and forget it. No, we're going to remember it and keep working on it, because I don't want this to freaking crease, because I'm gonna blend some black shadow on top. It's gonna be great, and I want something for that black shadow to grab onto. All right, now for these teeth, twofers, I'm going to paint them in, and it's gonna be extremely difficult, like extremely. This is so hard, especially like thinking out talking to you guys while I do this. Now I'm gonna get some more matte black eyeshadow and outline certain parts. I'm gonna get some more matte black eyeshadow to darken in and really do some detail on the inside. Okay, I'm gonna get some light yellow fluffy brush just to make these teeth look a little dingy. Making some dingy marks on the sides, like the Joker. So what would Harley Quinn be without her pudding necklace? We are going to make that today with some aqua paints and some silver metallic powder that turns into paint. I feel like if I wrote pudding in yellow more than gold, it would show up better. I might do that. And then with gold accent, maybe? This is perfect. This is like a sparkly yellow. Now I'm just gonna outline it with matte black shadow after I wrote out all that lettering. Let's try this liner. There we go. All right, now that we have that down, we're gonna do a little something like this, like that. Like spears, laughter spears. Is that a thing? I hope. Laughter spears, yeah. I can't wait to do another Fandom Curiosities, guys. I'm like itching to do that series now. Cause I've been listening to so much investigative murder stories and like YouTube slapped my hand when I did that video on John Wayne Gacy. They're like, man, this isn't good. Not that it wasn't good makeup, they're just like, advertiser friendly stuff only, please. That type of stuff. Ha 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 ha. Let's get a little thick blood, shall we? To put on the ha-has. The ha-ha hee-hees. No hee-hees, just ha-has. Ooh, I liked it without that. Scratch that. All right, now it's time for the wig. Yes. I got this wig, again, from everydaywigs.com. They're the freaking best at wig making, I swear. First, I'm gonna secure this wig with some bobby pins, hopefully. I'm gonna leave some ringlets in the front while doing, hopefully, some pigtails. I say hopefully because I suck at taming wigs and hair. Doing hair in general is not my strong suit. I should have gone to school on it, but who has the time and the money? Not I. I'm just gonna do partial ponytails because there's so much hair. Just so much hair in this wig. Okay, one ponytail down, one to go. I feel like why not put some bows in? After I put my hair into pigtails, we are completely done turning into this Harley Quinn Joker, creepy twisted makeup of Harley Quinn and the Joker fused together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had as much fun watching it as I had making it. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you would love to see on this channel. If I pick your comment, I'll definitely shout you out. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Subscribe to more videos like this. I do videos twice a week, every Monday and Friday on this channel. I also do beauty and makeups and effects videos. I can't wait to show what I have in store for you. Now it's time to take this off. Her wig just flew. The truth came out. Ew. Ooh, so many bobby pins. Wow, my actual hair is gonna fall out probably. This took, what time is it? 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours. Ugh. Get off me. Thanks. The only problem is I'm filming this till 4 in the morning and now I'm hungry. It's like, what do you eat at 4 in the morning? I feel like I'm not supposed to eat at 4 in the morning, but that might just be me. You guys, Doom Eternal, the video game, is coming out, and if you know me, well, I don't know if I've told you this, but I used to be a huge fan of Doom. I had the very first Doom game on my PC computer before I saved enough money to buy a Mac. I used to play PC video games. Like there's this one called Hugo where it was a type game, and I used to play Tomb Raider on my Windows 95. I used to also play Sims back when you used Rosebud as the cheat code. Can you still do that? And so now Doom Eternal is releasing on new systems and it's going to be so good. I've been watching gameplay of it. So I want to do this creature from it, and I asked a poll on Instagram if I should do it, and a lot of you guys said I should. And like this creature I want to do is going to be intense as can be. It's going to come out so cool though if I could pull it off, because it's going to be a lot. I'm going to need props. I'm going to need liquid latex. I'm going to need body painting. I'm going to need all of the gadgets and gizmos aplenty. So I hope I could pull it off. I hope I could do it, because Doom Eternal, I would release the video the day it comes out, and it comes out March 20th, 2020, the same day that Animal Crossing comes out. So everyone's like fangirling over both. I've never played Animal Crossing. I'm more of a Doom gal. I was obsessed with Doom and Tomb Raider. and Donkey Kong Country. Those are like my top. But I better take a shower. I'll see y'all later. Follow me on TikTok. I'm obsessed and I post all of my work in like smaller sections with great music on there. So follow me on TikTok. I love you creators. I will see you in the next video. Bye.